ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్లో పెద్ద స్థాయిలో ఇసుక అక్రమ మైనింగ్ జరుగుతోందని కేంద్రం చెబుతుంటే తప్ప ఎందుకు జగన్ ప్రభుత్వంపై కేంద్రం చర్యలు తీసుకోవడం లేదంటూ రాష్ట్ర కాంగ్రెస్ వ్యవహారాల ఇన్ఛార్జి మణిక్కన్ ఠాగూర్ అన్నారు. గురువారం విజయవాడలోని కాంగ్రెస్ పార్టీ కార్యాలయంలో ఏర్పాటు చేసిన మీడియా సమావేశంలో ఆయన మాట్లాడుతూ జగన్ తప్పులు చేస్తూ రాష్ట్రాన్ని లూటీ చేస్తున్న మోడీ ప్రభుత్వం కనీసం స్పందించకపోవడం దారుణమన్నారు. అక్రమ మైనింగ్ చర్యలు తీసుకోవాలని కాంగ్రెస్ పార్టీ మోడీ ప్రభుత్వాన్ని డిమాండ్ చేస్తోందన్నారు.
This is the third zonal review meetings of the Mandal presidents for the past 3 days in Vizag has been taken over illegally and without unlimited ecological damage has been done for the future generation of Andhra Pradesh by Mr. Jagan. And the way they are making money every day, they are making into hundreds of crores illegally. Cash. There is no accounted money onto it. There is no revenue. Very less revenue is shown to the Andhra Pradesh government, and with that comparatively, they makes money of more than 50 times more than the legal money what they are showing to the government of Andhra Pradesh. It shows that Jagan government is making a mistake, and Modi government knows that Jagan is making a mistake and looting the state of Andhra Pradesh, but they are not ready to act. It shows that Modi and Jagan are in hand in glove. They are not ready to act. Modi government is not ready to act on Jagan on the illegal sand mining. We demand that the illegal sand mining issue should be taken seriously, and Congress party will take it further to the next level on this issue and demand that Modi government act on it, or we will approach the courts, be party to that issue on sand mining in which they are making crores of rupees. Second thing is about the Jagan government's continuous, I told in Rajendra also that 16 times Jagan government has supported Modi government in the past 5 years on different important laws. The BJP government and Mr. Modi and Shah's government would have faced a defeat in Rajya Sabha, were bailed out by Mr. Jagan because of his Rajya Sabha members. The Rajya Sabha leader Vijay Sai Reddy played a major role in bailing out the Modi Shah government in critical issues like the JNK reorganization bill, or the triple talaq, or the digital bill, or the telecom bill, recent telecom bill, all the three criminal laws which has been passed now, all other bills has been without any kind of negotiation or any kind of good things to Andhra Pradesh. They had sacrificed it. Andhra Pradesh interest, if they would have sincerely put a condition to Mr. Modi, Jagan would have put a condition to Mr. Modi, special status category they would have agreed for a special category status for Andhra Pradesh. They desperately needed the support of Jagan, but Mr. Jagan surrendered to Modi and Amit Shah the way Mr. Babu surrendered to Modi in the first part of it, and in the last part of that 6 months he left the NDA and came out of the NDA and said that he is for the special status and others. Now, whether I like to ask whether Mr. Chandrababu will put the precondition to enter into NDA that without the special category status he will not enter into an alliance with BJP. Whether he has that honesty that because he came out of NDA on that special category status, whether this time he will put that demand to Mr. Modi and Amit Shah. He won't, because we know that they are not honest to the people of Andhra Pradesh. Congress is the only party which is honest, and we will fight for special category status at any cost.